Well, the continued surge of COVID cases is putting more pressure on our healthcare system. About 300 COVID-19 patients are in the hospital in Washoe County, and Renown Health is adding more people to its alternate care sites. It also has temporary tents. Paul Nelson tells us more.
About 10% of the state's total COVID-19 cases came last week. That's expected to hit our hospitals especially hard. Renown is bracing for at least 100 to 150 new hospitalizations in the next couple of weeks, and that's on the low end.
We expect that the surge will continue through the end of the calendar year, and on the large end, we could expect hundreds more patients.
That's why Renown started using its alternate care site November 12th. 27 patients who are close to recovering are staying there, with room for 700.
We're prepared to serve additional hospitalized patients diagnosed with COVID-19 who are clinically stable and improving in the alternate care site before they're ready to return home.
Renown has 188 hospitalized COVID patients. 27 of those are in the intensive care unit, and 17 of those are on a ventilator. Those are also expected to jump.
The positivity rate leads to increased hospitalizations, which leads to increased ICU admissions, which leads to increased ventilator care, which leads to more deaths.
Slonim says it's important for all of us to do our part by following the safety guidelines and listening to the governor's restrictions on private gatherings, including this Thanksgiving.
We're not doing enough to prevent the spread. Everyone who hears this message can take personal responsibility and do something.
Renown has been hiring more healthcare workers over the past few months, preparing for a tough road ahead.
We are battling a pandemic that just doesn't seem like it will go away.
Covering the story, Paul Nelson, 2 News.